Welcome to AttendLab, your ultimate solution for effortless attendance tracking. Let's get started. First, visit AttendLab.com to explore our features. You can select a free, professional, or an enterprise plan depending on your business size and needs. Within the app, you can cancel, downgrade, or upgrade your subscription at any time. To subscribe, please press Activate under your desired plan. Let's start with a free plan now, which does not require a credit card. Enter your credentials and click Next. Enter your company name and location and click Register. After this, you will receive an email confirmation that your account has been created successfully. Click on the button to activate it. You will see the notification that your account has been verified. If the email didn't land in the inbox, please check your spam folder. Now, let's see how this process works on our mobile app. Open the app and press Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, set a password, and click Continue. Enter your company name, then select a country and a state. Press Continue. Your account is created. To log into the app, press Login on the home page. Enter your email address, password, and login. You will see your dashboard screen after this. If you forgot your password, please click the link to reset it and enter your email address. Then, check your email for a code to complete the reset process. Enter this code and set your new password. For more useful tutorials and tips, we recommend visiting our help and support page on our website or exploring our Heya Solutions YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. That's it. You're now subscribed for AttendLab. If you have any general questions, feature requests, or feedback, please don't hesitate to email us at info@attendlab.com. For technical support, reach out to us at support@attendlab.com. We're here to help, and thank you for choosing AttendLab.